bunq versus Trade Republic. Which investment platform is better? Choosing the right platform can transform how you manage your investments without unnecessary fees or complexity. We'll look at bunq's banking approach and Trade Republic's trading focus. Bunq and Trade Republic both offer investment services but target different needs. Bunq is primarily a mobile bank with investment features, while Trade Republic is a dedicated investment platform focused on low-cost trading. Their core difference lies in banking versus pure investing. Bunq is a mobile-first bank that integrates investment options directly into its app. It allows users to manage everyday banking alongside investing in stocks and ETFs. Bunq operates with a strong focus on user control, transparency, and sustainability, offering features like green investments. The platform works by linking your bank account with investment options, enabling seamless transfers and portfolio management. Its strengths include easy banking and investing in one place, intuitive design, and ethical investment choices. However, bunq's investment options are somewhat limited compared to specialized brokers, and fees can be higher due to its banking services. Ideal users are those who want a versatile banking app with simple investment capabilities, especially if they value sustainability and integrated financial management. Trade Republic is a Germany-based investment platform focused exclusively on stock and ETF trading with minimal fees. It offers commission-free trades, low-cost ETFs, and a straightforward app designed for active investors and beginners alike. Trade Republic operates by connecting users directly to the stock market with an emphasis on cost efficiency and simplicity. Its strengths include zero commission trades, a wide range of investment products, and extensive market access. The platform also provides order types and savings plans to automate investing. On the downside, Trade Republic does not offer banking services, so users need a separate bank account. It also lacks some advanced trading tools found in full-service brokers. Ideal users are those focused on investing and trading with low costs, who prefer a dedicated platform without banking features. Bunq combines banking and investing, making it convenient for users wanting everything in one app, especially if they prioritize sustainability and ease of use. However, its investment options and fees are not as competitive for active traders. Trade Republic excels in low-cost, commission-free investing with a broader asset selection and better tools for serious investors. It requires a separate bank account but offers more flexibility and savings plans. For casual investors who want banking plus simple investing, bunq fits well. For those focused solely on investing with minimal costs and more market access, Trade Republic is the stronger choice. Choose bunq if you want an all-in-one mobile bank with easy, sustainable investment options and prefer managing finances and investing in a single app. Opt for Trade Republic if your priority is low cost, commission-free investing with a wide range of assets and savings plans. It's ideal for focused investors seeking efficient trading without banking distractions. Both platforms serve different needs, so pick the one that matches your investment goals best.